Welcome to Knowledge Share channel. In this video, we will be discussing about a problem in order to find the area of cross section of the copper wire for the given value of resistance. See, in previous video, we have discussed about how to find the value of resistance, what is resistance, what is electric potential, what is current, and all those things, basics things we have discussed. And if you really have any doubts, you can just refer to my previous videos. And we have also solved many problems related with how to find the resistance value if the area is given. And also we have solved some problems related with how to find the area of cross section for the aluminum wire, for example if the area of cross section is small. But in this video we will be discussing about how to find the area of cross section of the copper wire if the value of resistance is given. For example, for the known value of resistance, for example, if I want to fix this particular value of the resistance, but I want to find what will be the area. So in that case, we want to use the formulas which I just will be discussing now. Okay. So we'll just directly go into the problem. So here you can see that in this problem it has been given an aluminum wire of 400 meters long. Okay, the aluminum wire is there, it is 400 meters long and it has a resistance of 0.25 ohms. So two values has been given. One is the length of the aluminum wire is given, that is 400 meters, and as well the resistance is given, that is 0.25 ohms is given. Okay. And what you want to find, and also from the data book, okay, that is the data book, you can find what is the value of the specific resistance, because specific resistance is nothing but the resistance per unit meter. So here you want to find the specific resistance of copper has been given. So the specific resistance of copper is 1.73 into 10 power minus 8. So here you want to find what is the value of cross section that is required if the copper wire, if it is a copper wire. Okay. So earlier we were solving for aluminum wire, but in this problem we will be solving for copper wire. So here you want to take it as copper wire of 400 meters long and it has a resistance of 0.25 ohms, and you want to find what is the area of cross section if its specific resistance from the data sheet is given as 1.73 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter respectively. So once again I just want to repeat. So you want to find the value of area of cross section of the wire if the length of the wire is given as 400 meters, the resistance of the wire to be maintained at 0.25 ohms, and the resistivity of the copper, that is the specific resistance of the copper, is 1.73 into 10 power minus 8 ohm meter, which is taken from the data sheet. Okay. So these are all the things which has been given, and I want to find what is the area of cross section. So earlier we have discussed in so many videos that in order to find the normal formula is nothing but R equal to rho into L by A. What is rho? Rho is nothing but the specific resistance, or it is called as the resistivity, and L is the length of the wire, and A is nothing but the area of cross section. So R equal to rho L by A. So this is what the formula that has been discussed in many of my videos. So R equal to rho L by A. So in this formula you can just substitute the known values. So the known values are R is given. Okay. So you can see that the value of resistance R is given as 0.25 ohms, and rho is also given. So rho is found out from the data sheet, that is 1.73 into 10 power minus 8. So that you can substitute. And L is given. So the length of the wire is given as 400 meters. That also you can substitute. The only unknown value is A. Okay. So now your after substitution, your formula looks something like this. Is that right? So your formula looks something like this. That is rho into rho is nothing but 1.73 10 power minus 8. Directly I have substituted. L is nothing but 400 meter. So if it is given in millimeter or centimeter, you want to convert it to meter and you have to substitute. And A is nothing but area, which is not given. And R is nothing but 0.25, which has already been given. So this is for aluminum. Okay. So if you just substitute these values, you can see that you will be getting the answer as 2.768 into 10 power minus 5 square meter, and if you just convert it into square centimeter, so you want to multiply it by that is so it will be around 10 power 10 power minus 4. So since it's square centimeter, you want to multiply by 10 power 4. So you will be getting 10 power minus 1. So finally you will be getting 0.2768 square centimeter. So from this you can understand that, for example, if an area is given, or if for example if the resistance value is given and resistivity is given and the value of resistance is also given, you can find what is the value of area of cross section of the given wire. So this is the formula, and directly we have found out the answer. And from this we conclude that the area of cross section of the copper wire for the given cross section for area of cross section of the copper wire for the given resistance of 0.25 ohms with 400 meter length and with a specific resistance of 1.73 into 10 power minus 8 is given as 2.768 into 10 power minus 5 square meter, or 0.2768 square centimeter. So that's all for this video, and I hope this video will be very useful for you. And if you really like this video, give a thumbs up as well. If you have any doubts, you can just comment, and if you really feel that this particular video will be useful to someone, please share it. And if you really like the videos which I post on this channel, you just subscribe to my channel. So thank you very much for your support. Thank you.